All right, in this video I'm going over page 345 of the Go Math textbook. We've been writing inequalities, and today we're going to be learning how to graph inequalities. So let's get to it. Inequalities can have an infinite number of solutions. The solutions of the inequality x is greater than 2, for example, include all numbers greater than 2. You can use a number line to represent all the solutions of an inequality. The number line at the right shows the solutions of the inequality x is greater than 2. So you see, let's look at this graph up here on this number line. Notice it's an open circle, and it's saying, what it's showing is x can be any number can't be 2, but any number greater than 2, continuing on for infinity. Okay, so the empty circle shows that 2 is not a solution. So whenever you don't have the equal sign underneath, it's always an open circle. If you have the equal sign underneath, then it becomes a closed circle. So that's the first thing you have to remember. If it's an inequality that's just greater than or less than, it's an open circle. If it's greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, it's a closed circle, but we'll see more examples of that as we go. Forest fires are most likely to occur when the air temperature is greater than 60 degrees Fahrenheit. The inequality T is greater than 60, so I already know there's no line underneath the inequality, so I know I'm going to have an open circle, and I know it's going to be on 60. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here. Open circle right on 60. This is our first step in graphing an inequality. And all my information is given to me right here. There's no line underneath the inequality, so I know it's going to be an open circle. And where do I put the open circle? On the number they gave me. So I did that here. Represents the temperature T in degrees Fahrenheit for which the forest fires are most likely. Graph the solutions of the inequality on the number line. Solutions of T is greater than 60 on a number line. Show the solutions. So I need to show all solutions that are greater than 60. Draw an empty circle at 60 to show that 60 is not a solution. I did that here. Put a circle right on 60. And then T has to be bigger than 60, so it would be not 60, but anything bigger than 60. So my arrow is going to go to the right. It can be all these values on to the right of 60 on forever. So shade to the right of 60 to show that the values greater than 60 are a solution. Okay. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next example.